Disclaimer: any joke y'all hear in this video is not to be taken serious. Anything to be considered harmful or dangerous AI generated and is done in professional environment.
The trooper fit they lights, I gotta go, no they can't book me, nigga. Been in this tech for 3 days and made a couple thousand, nigga. If you cheaper, you a bitch, then you can't be around me. She only good for eating dick, so I don't want the hoe. If you jump out with my nigga.
Yo, it's your boy CT back again with another little vlog, little video. We got some stuff going on today. We about to drive down to Cincinnati. About to do some stuff to the car. Yeah, take y'all on a little road trip. I'm about to start this motherfucker up. We outside. We all cold start. Today, this bitch out in the ice already. Alright, this motherfucker though. Cut y'all boys back on. We about to grab more, picking him up. Make sure y'all also too, like, drop down in the comments and shit what y'all want me to do to the car and shit. What colors y'all want to see? Feel me? What I should do next? About to go into the gas station real quick. Get some goddamn snacks and shit. What should I get? What should I get? About to get this body armor light. Fill this bitch up, bruh. Oh, shit. This bitch over here having a goddamn heart attack. This bitch won't stop. Wait till goddamn hard get back. Give you all a little cinematic of this bitch. This shit so goddamn good. We gotta drive 3 hours, 30 minutes away. Know how long that shit is, bro? It is only 4 o'clock. We have to go for a whole 3 hours. Alright, y'all, man. We down here now. Cincy, we had to spend a night hotel. Dude was busy getting stuff done, so we about to get our cars worked on in the morning. Well, this morning. So we got a whole bunch of stuff planned. Hopefully these cars sound better. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on and shit when we get back to the shop, and then show y'all the process of everything we got going. Cut y'all boys back on. We out here at the shop. This boy, he got hella cars. That bitch over there, that bitch is a demon trucker. My shit up over here. Wanna let this dark as shit. It's getting done. Doing the exhaust and stuff now. This bitch about to shine Loudest. And then my other Dion, he getting a whole bunch of stuff done to his car. And I think Jamar is actually, they purchased this second gen. Shit, this windy as fuck. He got hella shit out here too. Over here, looking at this checker drop. Wow.
There's no exhaust on it. Like nothing? No, it's on there. Somebody cut the converters off of it.
Oh. Yeah, gang, you might just slap the converters back on.
Yeah, at the end of the day, when it gets here, they put the converters. It's clean.
Might as well.
You got a spare Jeep windshield?
Might as well buy this bitch, bro.
Yeah, this nigga in.
Alright. It's hella shit out here. It's Dion's OG. I'm at fucking 300.
What the fuck, yo? Yo!
That shit up. Shit. I'm gonna cut y'all back on once we start working on this, or whenever it's almost completed, and then I'm gonna cut y'all on. Y'all gonna see how this bitch sound. Hopefully we get some pops, but I'm gonna cut y'all back on after in a minute. Can't put this bitch on right now.
I got 9 arms.
You tweaking?
Yes, he really is, but... Hey now. Nothing wrong with being alert. Exactly. Yep. Got it? Yep. There we go.
What about this though? Like this one not straight.
Well, we're gonna lose that.
How?
You can put 1 5-inch tips too, don't you?
Oh yeah. You're right.
I am.
My bad, OG.
You good? Yep. Hey. You good?
This bitch is now on straight plate. My fucking diffuser gonna fall. This bitch is about to scream.
He couldn't be at the function making so much noise. He about to say, baby D, pull up. I'm gonna say, no. This nigga is trash.
Shit, been paying on the vlog.
Been paying on the vlog.
Shit. Dion ain't get his car done.
Okay, can be outside that video.
Yeah, he didn't even get his car done yet. Feel me? I just bought a 5. I'm gonna buy a 5.7.
You got him. Good job.
Yeah, hard. This nigga sleeping. He thinking this is gonna make his price go down, I think. You know how they do. When you walk out, when they be like, you ain't got no money at the restaurant, so you gotta go wash the dishes. He trying to clean the shop. He trying to clean the shop. Yeah, it's hot. But we ain't gonna get back to the city till about 1, 2, 3. I got school tomorrow. Last day of school. I gotta go turn my iPad. And camera. Damn, I ain't even do my project. I got to do a random project around the house. Feel me? Auto car, track car, SRTG, another track, cats. Motherfucker right here though, boy.
Right there.
Yeah. Hey, do it. Do it for your thing, CT.
What?
Do it for your camera.
Huh?
Do it for your camera. You should have did it.
I don't even know.
Real what? Loudest Scatpack. That's all. Dion's car probably there. His car now. No, we gotta wait.
Get me in the vlog, just not my vehicle.
We gotta wait 3 hours. 3 hours for this nigga's car now.
Oh God. You gotta take my whole steering fucking rack out.
Yeah, so just tell him let me go first.
Take my whole steering control. You know how you was turning over? You about to leave me. Oh, he fucked up. Like, you know how you was turning it and it'd be knocking damn there?
Shit, so we'll leave that to y'all when it's off the shit.
First, I thought you were about to make this video.
Go over there.
Come on.
What the fuck? She's trying to fuck you, CT.
Might get that
That slide on the board.
Now let him hit a burnout.
Huh? You hear your downshifts?
That shit really sound like. Hey,
I told you, bro.
Wait till we
Keep your
get back to the
muscles,
city.
bro.
wait till we get back to the.
No, wait till you get that Circle K gas from Yoda, nigga.
I swear, bro, that gas, bro, that shit make your like. That shit,
Listen to this shit. Oh my god, nigga, look at your car.
That bitch look. This nigga walks in the front of the camera. Great moron.
I told you.
You fucking up the clips, Goofy.
How am I fucking up the
You
clip?
walked right in front of the camera.
No, the fuck I didn't.
You just said you did.
Bro, you the bitch.
No, that bitch like horse looking around that corner though, I ain't gonna lie.
Damn. I gotta ask him how you think that bitch smooth.
No, here we go.
Cut y'all on right now. So, as y'all can see, we only got one clip. It was raining outside, so I really couldn't even do nothing crazy for real because all that rain. But I'm probably gonna record. I'm gonna record tomorrow and try and get some more clips in so y'all can actually hear it. And the dude, he ain't drop Jamar's and Dion's cars off, so hopefully if they cars are here tomorrow, then we should be able to get a little vlog I can mix in with this, and then all of our exhausts will be done and y'all will be able to hear it. But yeah. Alright, y'all. New clip. We got some packages. I'm trying to finish up this exhaust video for y'all so y'all can see. But I'm saying I did get some. I got some new stuff so we can get some better clips, and I'm about to show y'all unpackage everything. So this new little, I'm saying, SD card. Oh, you know, got me a little radar detector, but you know what I'm saying. And then, of course, here we go. 360 cam. Get some little gaps. You know what I'm saying. Record some shit outside the car. And then we go. I got me a little tracker. Got me a little tracker. That I'm pretty sure that one comes with that kill switch, so it ain't about to be none of that striking shit going on. And then I got me this mount for the car mount. So that is that. And I'm it is raining outside right now, so I'm gonna probably, whenever I do put this on, I'm gonna record y'all and show y'all. So we about to put this mount on. We wasn't able to put it on last night. It kept raining, so I'm gonna put this on for y'all today, right now, and then we gonna get some clips today. Hopefully it don't rain again, but there's gonna be a little bit I can't mount the camera up, so I'm gonna show y'all when this is put on, and it'll be put on in 3, 2, 1. All right, I got it on, man. Took me, it wasn't that hard, just trying to figure out all the sections, but it is on. So I'm about to give y'all a little cold start. Oh shit! And I did hook up the little detector. Just make sure is not supported for this mode. I wonder if I can pause it and get a preview, like have it record from like right now. Pool. Charlie. Ooh, this bitch still on there. Let me know like what colors and shit y'all wanna see. I might end up wrapping it soon. Do gotta get a new hood. It's gonna be black. I don't know if I'm gonna just make it red or leave it black. Shit, just let me see. Let me know what y'all wanna like. What other content y'all wanna see? Cause we doing it all. Might end up learning soon how to spin this motherfucker. So just these motherfuckers right here need to get the fuck up out the way. Holding this big ass camera. I'm gonna just get back at y'all.
Say hey guys.
Hey.
I wanna be in it too.
Sorry. Hi guys. We're looking at CT's car for the first time.
Okay, let's look at it.
Do a tour.
Oh shit, this bitch hard. You guys see it say Hemi? Do you hear him?
CT. Wow, you did your biggest one.
I'm proud of you, bud.
Really are. Well, we gotta give a whole tour.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
This is the back seat. I don't know. I think that's camera equipment. Alright.
What is this?
A camera goes on there.
Really?
Oh. This is the back. This is his no license plate. He's driving with no license plate. I don't know what that's about. Look at that. I don't know what that means. Hard as fuck though. Come on. Let's go to the other side. Alright. This is the front seat. This is what it looks like. Pedal.
That's the brakes.
This is what it looks like.
Jesus Christ.
Tinted the fuck out, feel me? I don't even got no. And he's a businessman. Look at him. It's cute. This is the man.
I want to be in it. How
We're
do
the
you?
cameraman.
Here, let me. Hold on. This part.
He got a wait. CT, come down. Look, come. Guys, look. Vlog. He got a new tap. Look at it.
Oh
Super
no, I got
cool.
a gate.
Oh.
Why?
Oh, fuck camera and the cameraman.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but
You have to wave at the camera first. Wave, Kima.
y'all know what's going on. And so do I.
Bro. I had to close my eyes for that, bro. It felt like a roller coaster. Alright, I'm not scared. It's whoa there. You're tripping, bro. It's a stop sign. I can't even hold the camera. Can you calm down?
Where the ice cream place at?
I don't know. Go to Handles. You can't go in no more. Like, where's Jamar?
Go on to Handles.
I don't even got it. Look how I'm holding the camera, y'all. I gotta hold it with 2 grips. My hair. They're watching him make the scene. Ugh. Yeah. Slow down. Okay, we get it. Bro, this camera heavy as fuck. Okay, play the slapper. Yeah, bro. The police is right there. They're gonna get your ass.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
Hey, how we turn this on regular, not sport? Like, it's on sport right now? Yes.
It was about to get my ass.
Yep.
We about to get some late night POVs, and then this is gonna be ending off the exhaust video for y'all. So hopefully this bitch shit don't fall off. All right, Bill, we rolling.
360 cam died.
All right, y'all. We gonna add the clips we got going through downtown and all that shit from the 360 cam. This is gonna conclude the little whole exhaust video. So hope all y'all enjoyed the video. We got some more shit coming for y'all soon. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, all that. Share it to everybody you know. And we gonna see y'all in the next one.
Yeah. Baby girl, bring your friends, y'all so bad I can't choose. Never been a loyal type, cause all my hoes coming too. I love my hoes from the east, but the west got some too. Cop 14 for 60 when I'm in that one move. She smart as Audi and Dior, she tryna throw that.